This is Switzerland, the cleanest industrialized country in the world. We are committed to our policy to maintain our clean environment for future generations, and our company is on the way to the top. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Martin Stiefel. I am the Managing Director of Jakob Stiefel GmbH. I would like to warmly welcome you to our new company in Wetzikon. We would like to show you our environmentally friendly plant technology, using the practical example of the Trimes Waste Incineration Facility. In 2002, the Association of Local Authorities responsible for waste disposal in the canton of Graubünden decided to build a new waste incineration facility. Our tender was accepted, and we were chosen to be the main contractor for the firing, boiler, electronic filter, and control technology. Now we would like to show you how this plant works. "95,000 tons of waste are incinerated annually at 1,000 degrees Celsius. However, the incineration is merely one component of this disposal process, while energy recovery and recycling also play important roles. Every resident of the region produces approximately 300 kilograms of waste each year. All this garbage is transported to the Gehwag incinerator by means of community collection vehicles and is unloaded at the waste bunker. The waste is dumped into one of the two incinerators through a feeder chute. It is incinerated without the addition of any fuel. The burning reduces the waste mass by 80% and the volume by a huge 93%. Why do we burn waste? We burn it to reduce volume, to sterilize it, and to kill all germs. Waste that goes to a landfill produces deadly methane, which is 20 times worse for the atmosphere than CO2. Even waste contains a lot of energy, and we use it for electricity, district heating, and for industry. The steam is fed into a turbine which drives the generator, and electricity is produced. "16,000 households are supplied, corresponding to 3.5% of the entire power requirement for the Grissens region. Nearby buildings, such as a paper factory, a school, and the glass houses of a large garden center, are supplied with heat energy. This incinerator here in Trimes produces thermal energy for surrounding buildings, which is very important for us. Thanks to the best technology, the waste incineration plant in Trimes is among the most ecologically efficient and the most environmentally friendly in the world. The flue gas cleaning is a super efficient 5-level process. Heavy metals, especially zinc, are reclaimed from the washing solution and then reused. Liquid washing removes harmful substances from the waste gases. A catalytic converter system eliminates dioxins and nitrogen oxides. All these processes, together with the measured data, are checked in the control room, the nerve center of the plant. The data is forwarded every month to a government agency, where it is verified. It ensures that the emission values are far below the very strict Swiss limits. At the end of the incineration process, the ash drops from the grate into a water bath where it is cooled. 2,000 tons of metal are removed from the ash, recycled, and returned to industry each year. The volume of waste is reduced to a minimum. Important recycling flows are completed. Approximately 6 million liters of fuel are saved, and 3.5% of the entire power requirements of the Grissens region can be supplied, all thanks to the heat produced by the incinerated waste. Modern incinerator plants like the Gavog are made possible by our team here at the manufacturing workshops and offices in Vetsikon. Each waste incineration facility is an individual construction. Our highly educated and very experienced teams of engineers find the best possible solution that is suited to your individual requirements and which matches your overall waste disposal concept. And your project grows very, very quickly. The necessary plant components are produced using high-performance computerized processing centers in our new manufacturing department and prepared for installation. Well-trained men and women program and operate our machines. The component shapes for the combustion grate of wear-resistant Hardox material are bent and modeled with high-performance computerized bending presses. With a water jet cutter, tin parts are cut with high precision to a thickness of up to 200 millimeters. Thereafter, these parts barely need to be processed mechanically any further. Only the materials replenishment limits the computer-controlled hours of operation. Complicated grate components are prepared for the robotic welding by means of spot welding. Over 95% of the welding work is carried out by high-precision robots without any break. This ensures that first-class quality standards can be maintained continuously. One level of a combustion grate is tested and scrutinized in great detail over the course of hundreds of operating hours and logged meticulously. Only by these means can the quality standards and the subsequent operational safety be guaranteed. In addition, heavy overhead cranes enable the pre-assembly of individual combustion grate components and their testing. The ready-to-install material is loaded onto the trucks with the help of robust forklifts for the final installation. A prerequisite for a fast and proper installation is that the installation crew is reliably supplied with the best tools. Our components and tools are then sent to construction sites all over the world. Just as here, in the example of the Forley plant in Rimini, we accompany the project from the very beginning of the construction site to the moment when the plant goes into operation. As can be seen clearly here, large prefabricated plant components are used as much as possible. In this company, an experienced, young, and successful team of highly qualified experts, engineers, and fitters works together under one roof to find a solution to your waste disposal problems. Don't hesitate to contact us. We're always very close to you and your problems. Thank you for your interest. We, the Jakob Stiefel Company, can provide you with technology and every assistance for your own waste-to-energy project.